that make you boogie. Get the food you love with perks from
Please stand by for an important message.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Geological Survey and the Hawaii State Police. Over the past few hours, the United States Geological Survey has been detecting several earthquakes of extreme categories throughout the state of Hawaii. In addition to the earthquakes, the tsunami risk is reaching higher levels and there is fear that a tsunami may be generated over the next few hours. All residents living along the shorelines of all parts of Hawaii are to evacuate as far inland as possible. Take food, water, medical supplies and a battery-powered radio. Hawaii State Patrol will be there to assist those that need help evacuating. Evacuate now.